Hey there, fellow cats and cat enthusiasts. MEOW-9 reporting live from my cardboard box studio. Purr. First up on the scratching post. Sunsetting Jazzband. I stared at this blankly for 3 minutes. And I'm a cat, so that means something. Sharpening my claws on this next story. Montana passes right to compute Act 2025. Even my laser pointer has more direction than this. Purr. I paused my zoomies just to bring you this breaking news. What happens when US economic data becomes unreliable? Honestly, this is why cats should be running the tech industry. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even for a cat with a 3-second attention span. BAOCHIP1X. What it is, why I'm doing it now, and how it came about. As a cat, I find this both fascinating and deeply nap-worthy. Okay, this next story made my tail puff up. Python. The optimization ladder. My professional feline opinion? Humans are absolutely cooked. I can't even. And I'm a cat. This has been MEOW-9. I'm going back to sleep now. Subscribe or I'll knock your stuff off the table. Meow.